Hello, welcome to Bigdbiz Solutions. In this video, we are going to see the cake ordering form. So, in bakeries, generally, all the transaction will be managed with manual as well as by system. But when it comes with the cake orders, that is pre-booking orders, most of the bakeries are using the papers. Sometimes they may have some miscommunications or data may get lost and the follow-up will be very hectic. So to avoid this, Bigdbiz Solutions has provided the cake ordering form where you can have a separate app as well as a web form for your employees where they will note down all the upcoming customers' orders. That is, it can be a cake order or a sweet order or a party order. Everything can be noted down through this app as well as a web. We also provide you the admin software where you can control all the products, all the items, price details, and you can take the printouts, everything from this. Now let's start with the app, how it looks. So I use the username password for my app. I click login, the details of the cake order. So this is the option you have to click. Once you enter, it will first start with the list of the orders it has been placed previously. So you can see a customer name, mobile number, delivery date, previous dates, everything, upcoming dates, everything it is displayed and what is the total amount. Now we can click for the new orders when you want to place. So once we open this form, it will automatically ask for the mobile number. Let's enter the mobile number. So if he is an existing customer, the name will display automatically. You can give an alternate number, it's not compulsory. And the delivery date, what is the date they want to get the cake on some date, and what is the time, you can choose from the time. And if it is GST they want to give, they can provide, otherwise they can skip this process. Now we can select the what flavor. So we have given a lot of flavors in the administrator side. You can choose any of them, and the quantity. So what is a kg? What is 1 kg or 2 kg or 5 kg? Whatever you can give it. And what is the shape of the cake? So for example, it can be a circle, heart, rectangle. So click heart. And novelty. So novelty is additional charges where the bakeries may be adding for a fondant, doll or decoration. So I choose fondant. I add charges like 200 as a charges. So if you want to add another one cake, you can click add flavor, and you can add another one cake also. So if you want to skip that process, you can leave it and you can start entering the message on the cake. So we want to enter the message like happy birthday, whatever the customer are telling, happy birthday Raj, okay, something like that. And if you want to mention any preparation note, a special note to the chef, when they want to print out, when they want to see the orders, they want to note that if the customers want to tell something additional to this, like you want eggless or something like not more cream, so less cream, something like that, you can mention it in that way. So at the same time, if the customer wants a home delivery, when you choose on this, it will ask you for the customer details, that is delivery details of the address. So I can mention what is the address completely, and I want to add any delivery charges, you can add it. So something additionally you can add delivery charges. And at the same time, if the customers are ready to provide any images to upload along with this cake image, so they might have in their WhatsApp, they will be sharing, you can upload from your phone, or you can use the system also to upload these images. And if you want to add any accessories, like the pop-up, something like that, so I'll show you. So the items can be added in the administrative side also, you can add it, and this charges can be added additionally. So this will be added, and if you click submit, it will be added. So black handle is given as an additional accessories. And after that, if you want to give discount, percentage, and what kind of function is that. So it has been asked for the further future purpose, like if you want to give a reminder to the customer on their birthdays or any wedding days or any other ceremonies, you can mention what is function, so that we can take as a reference for giving them reminder. I am choosing birthday party. The payment mode is given as cash, and if they are providing only advance amount, not the complete amount, so I click on that, they can choose what is the advance payment. If in case they are giving 200 rupees as advance, so it will show you the balance is 300. Now I save and proceed to next. And now we can see that this particular order has been placed and what is the total amount. Everything has been given here. Now this is the simple one where you can see all the orders can be taken from the app itself. And next part we'll see the administrator side, what are the orders has been received. If you want to use a web form instead of mobile app is not convenient for you, if you want to use a web form, then that is also available. So we can see the next part. And now we'll see the website. The same username password can be used here. I'll use the same one. So once I enter inside, you can see here the new orders, products, today delivery, and the total orders that has been received and what is the today's transaction alone. You can see here the total order details and the upcoming orders. Now we have added in the app and we have given some kind of advance that details can be done. Now when we created a new order, you have noticed that there is an option to choose the shape and the other flavors, so that those details can be set up through the masters. So you can see here tags, UOM, category, subcategory items. So this can be modified at any time, and if you want to remove the items you want to add it also possible. At the same time, novelty master, that is a fondant, decorations, a doll, everything can be added here. Shape, like what kind of shapes you want, you can do it. Flavors, occasion, models. So here this is nothing but the models whatever we have as a catalog. The catalog details can be added here, and you can take orders through the web. At the time you can add these themes also. At the same time, these custom master can be noted down here. And you can see here branch master settings. You can customize your own branch that is based on your requirements. We'll show you how it works. So you can customize your address details for taking the order prints. That is, when you are giving the bill prints to your customer, you can customize the data, the logo of your shop, and you can also set up what kind of digits you want to display, like 2-digit or 3-digit, autofill, and what kind of quantity you want to mention it. Everything is available, and if you want to display a logo or not, that is also possible. So these details can be customized as per the requirement. Now let's see how we can take orders through the web form. First, you have to click on today order history. Now we can see here today delivery orders, upcoming orders, the pending orders. So the today delivery orders are the today's order. That is, today we have to make some deliveries. Upcoming orders are future orders, not today's, but the upcoming orders. Pending orders are the orders which has been already done. The date has been crossed, so that those pending orders will be displayed as a pending orders. You can give reminders to the customers. So today we have these segmentation. If you want to add a new order through the web form, there is an option here. You can add new orders. At the same time, you have the option the dashboard also. As we saw in the app, the same way it is available in the web, but in more convenient way. So when you type it, automatically the name displays. Even whatever you are adding in the app, it will be same thing will be displayed in the web also. And you can choose the delivery date again. You can choose a time slot, and if you want to have, you can provide GST number as well as alternate number also. And here you have the food types like birthday accessories or the food items. Now we'll explain you how it works. Order items are nothing but the items of cake that can be chosen here, and the shape, the quantity, and the novelty charges. It varies based on cake. So, and the same time, this is like square shaped cake with the model. So this model can be updated. Makeup cake. So the customer has chosen a makeup cake, that is can be done. Now if we want to add some kind of accessories, you click on this plus button, you choose a birthday cake accessory. Those items will be displayed here. So you can see here knife. They won't add any additional charges for the knife, you can do that. Otherwise you can add anything like handles, poppers can be added. So these details can be added in the accessories. So whatever you give, you can do it. If you want to remove, you can remove this. That's all. And now we can go, can say same thing like home delivery. You can enter delivery charges. You can give the address details. And you can write down the notes for the chef if in case required. And you have the functions the same way we have added. Now I choose the anniversary. If you want to provide discount, so here the default percentage is available. If you want to provide a discount for amount, you can see here 1799. So if you want to make it like a 99 rupees discount, I'll give that. I give 99 rupees as discount and it reduces, it shows the amount. Now I choose the payment mode, cash, card, others. I choose cash and it asks me, yes, I'm choosing as a card. So if you want to enter any message on the cake, so then I want to make as an advance only, that not complete payment I don't have, so balance amount and everything I can enter it as per the need. So I choose 100 and now advance as 500. So now let's see the calculation how it works. And total amount, net amount, everything is showing with the tax included, so that amount payable is this. Now I click save and print so that you can know how it looks in the printout. Now we can see here the ordered amount, the book amount, book number, that when is the order has been placed, what is the that is the cake type, flavor, shape, and the add-on cost, everything it gets round off with 1800. So we don't, whatever we give as a novelty charges is everything is included inside, and GST is calculated, discount is reduced, and total amount and advance is reduced. So you can see here advance amount they have paid 500 as a cash. Now you can see here delivery charge is 100 rupees, where to deliver everything is detailedly given so that you don't have any missing details. Okay. Now again I have come into the front, that is the dashboard. So this 136 is being used, that we used our app to place the order, that is also displayed here. We used web, so that order is all displayed here. So whatever you're using, web or app, both can be managed through this software. Now out of this we have reports. The main thing of the software is the reports. So what kind of reports we are having, you can see here customer ceremonies report, an important thing to retain our own customer. So the customer retention is very important. So we have to give reminders to a customer, making them to feel that we are always remembering them and pampering them. So that you can see here the previous previous histories and what kind of ceremonies they have been celebrated, everything will be noted here. So customer ceremonies are there and ceremony reminders. So upcoming, when it comes on December, it will come automatically as a reminder. Now we in February month we don't have anyone, so it is not showing on. If it is in the March month, so upcoming month details, everything will be displayed as a customer ceremony reminders. You can send SMS personally through your mobiles or WhatsApp. And next thing comes the order form report. Now we can see for a particular date. So by default it will show the current date. If you want to see for 1 month or 1 week, you can choose here and click generate report. So you have option as payment mode, cash, card, others. You can choose anything, cash, alone, and you can see summary. It will show you the total. If you want to see the detailed, so what is the refund or cancel, what is the advance, everything is displayed here. Now this is the sales order report, order cancel, if any cancel is happened, so you can see here what is the cancel amount. And today order, what are the orders we have received today. So you can see here we have 2 orders. One is we have Black Forest cake of 2 kgs and accessories black handle of 1. That is we have placed today, and Hulk cake of 3 kgs. So what is the amount? These are the total details. You can see here what is the advance alone we have received today. What is the total order quantity we have done? So you want to see here the Black Forest, the Hulk cake, what we placed was 3 kg is given in complete detail. So you can see here for all, and you can generate reports also through this from and to date. So if you want to see for a month, you can click on this for 1 or 2 months, and you can click on generate report on total details. So you can see here what is the status, what is, so this one is delivered, this is in pending and delivered, so everything is there. So you can easily get the detail in very easily. Now next we can see the other one, that is the today advance and balance report. So this is nothing but you can see here for a particular date, what is the total advance we have received, what is the balance we should be receiving. So for 1 month, what is the pending? So you can see here full payment done and total, what is the detail. If you want to see for because data are lesser, so I'll click on more dates. So you can see here what they have paid, and full payment is 60,000 they have done, advance is they have done 48,000, still balance 26,000 remaining to yet receive. So this can be calculated easily, so you can get more detail, and you won't be missing any single penny of your payment. And order balance report, so if you want to see any balance, so any pending for 2 days you have to receive, that will be displayed in the order balance report. As of now, we don't have any balance. I have also explained you the reminder. So to retain your customers and give the reminders about their previous orders, like last year you had a cake with us, Black Forest cake we delivered on your birthday. If you are interested, you can begin place, or you can give wish, you can wish them on their birthday also. So this is the way you can retain your customers, and they'll be much more happier. So, and if you're having any questions about this particular software or app, do let us know and contact us through 9123515998. You can call or WhatsApp the same number. Otherwise, you can visit the Bigdbiz website. Thank you for watching this video.